Beep beep Roadrunner. I'm not going to show you the engine, I'm going to show you around the car a little bit first. 4 original headlights, turn signal on the fender, belted TA70 BF Goodrich, they're not radials. Roadrunner. I'm going to walk around the car with my few minutes of memory on this chip. 7 minutes 37 seconds. G7014. They rolled the fenders a little bit, make some room for the slicks. This car was raced back in its heyday. It's getting a little ripe in the back end. It's an all original Survivor. Is it a 69 Roadrunner? I forgot. It's got the original spare tire F7015 and it has the marking in the trunk. 70 series white letter. It's a total Survivor Roadrunner converted from an automatic to a 4-speed back in the day with a correct 4-speed. It's got a tachometer, old school tachometer with the wires right through the dash. You don't see too many cars like this. They built just a couple hundred automatics, a couple hundred 4-speeds. It's a 2-door hardtop vinyl top Roadrunner, and it's got the ultimate engine. It's a HEMI, HEMI Roadrunner. Survivor car, power brakes, no power steering, mechanical cam. 1969 Roadrunner, air grabber. 70 and 71 had the hydraulic cam. This has got solid lifters. The tag has never been touched. It's an original Survivor 69 HEMI. Even has cast iron exhaust manifolds winding around that little aluminum steering box. There was a satellite HEMI here last year, a little rusty also. Converted to a 4-speed, drag raced right here at Lebanon Valley. 62,000 miles. Look at that old Stuart Warner green line bolted to an old school gauge mounting pod. Carb air. Like that clutch pedal they added on. How did this car survive? The guy raced it and beat the crap out of it for years, and then he parked it. Slapper bars. Just a little bit of rust. It's a Survivor. You never restore a car like this. They are so far and few between. None of the 4-speed cars survived with the original engine. They were blown up. But this car was converted to a 4-speed, and it survived. Cut the fenders to make room for the big tires. Let's see if this gentleman will crank this baby up. It's a HEMI.
Yes, it is.
Can you crank this baby up? Can we hear those solid lifters clattering away? We have to tell people ahead of time they're going to go clatter, 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 clatter. Oh, you probably off the road for 20 years, right around the block from his house. Crank that baby up! Whoa, look at that rotating mass. Piston slap and everything. Clatter, clatter, clatter.
I don't want to push it.
On that Stuart Warner green line? Yeah. 55 pounds of, wow, I smell the raw fuel.
The front carburetor likes to dump a lot of fuel.
AM FM radio, the old school Stuart Warner tack. HEMI power. Manufacturer, dealer, this vehicle, completion, safety laws. Totally original, so just that thing clatter away. Beep horsepower. You want to hit the horn? Tap the horn button? Memorized. You're dreaming, huh? Just tap the horn button. I want to hear the Roadrunner horn beep. Don't worry about it. It's a Survivor car. This car was beat to crap over its lifetime. beep beep horn. Beep beep. Toot that beep beep horn. That Roadrunner funny horn. That's embarrassing. Thank you. Roadrunner.